it is now soon 8 in morning this Sunday morning, and I'm going to be running Pocket Option Auto Trader. I will take minimum 5 trades with bullish band strategy. If you find that interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. I will take $1,300 trades. Let's put a high target of $5,000 to make sure that we take 5 trades. So let's start off the bot and let's see how we do. But before I do that, if you want this binary option robot for yourself, works both on desktop and on cell phone. You find 2 links above the video at X and below the video at YouTube. Now let's see which win rate we get in this video. So we are now starting the bot. What he's doing right now, he's collecting all the information he needs from the chart. Afterwards, he takes all the indicators that we're using in this Bollinger Band bunch strategy. So now we are just waiting for the first trade. While we're waiting also, if you have any question, just leave them below the video at X and YouTube. I reply to every single question you have. By the way, the first trade did go into a win. We got a $1,196 profit from the first trade. We have now 2 trades, 100% till now. By the way, information. This strategy we are using just right now was my favorite strategy many years ago. And it's fitting to put it into a binary option robot now. So, that's the thing. This one, I did love to use this one in the past. Of course, I evolved and made better strategies through the years. By the way, now you're getting a big losing streak here now. We are down to 40% win rate. Now we have 3 wins, 3 losses, but you know this is nice for you to see because no strategy can win everything. By the way, you can see you have a cooldown, I'll explain that also. The thing is, you need to have hundreds of trades before you can see the correct win rate on a strategy. You can see now we got 3 losses in a row and people like, maybe they put a target there and they put too high bid and they lose everything and say, but the robot is a shit. No, it is a shit because you did few trades. You see now I have a win rate of 43%. Do you know it's perfectly normal because market is like this. Market sometimes can give you bad trades and sometimes can give you win rate that is over the moon. But in the reality, over hundreds of trades like this strategy proven in my videos in the past is around 60%. So if you're 50% now, perfect okay, and you're using martingale, so here's about money management also. Now about the cooldown. I made a cooldown, so when you have a bad streak, you're following a bad trend, I am made so you take a break, so we are not losing money in a bad streak of where he's following a bad trend. By the way, you can see now we end up with a 56% win rate, 5 wins, 4 losses. I'm happy with that this Sunday morning, and you should do also. So once again, if you want this binary option robot, you find a link above the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. And I'll see you on the next.